I'd like to invite Max now to come up.
This thing on. All right, hey everybody. My name's Max. Before I begin, I just want to ask a question. How many of you guys use YouTube or TikTok every day? Oh yeah, Gen Z. Look at that. So I'm actually not Gen Z. I'm a millennial, but I was invited to speak because there are a lot of people I know who are younger generation than me that do watch my videos. Before I kind of get too much deep into it, should I sit standing okay?
As you feel comfortable.
I feel like I can see more people if I stand. So my name's Max. I'm from the United States. My mom is Japanese. My dad is American, Caucasian. And if anyone is familiar with my content, I make YouTube videos, variety, but a lot of people know me for doing interview content with, I would like to say, people who are Japanese, but not really. So basically me being mixed Asian, mixed Japanese, I grew up in the United States as a Asian American, but also kind of not really. Being Asian American in the United States, I'm from North Carolina. On the East Coast was its own experience. Of course, I never really thought of myself as a minority, but Asian Americans, we have our own culture and lifestyle in the States. But when I came to Japan, when I was 20, I started realizing how many, on the flip side, there's people who are born and raised in Japan, but might not actually be Japanese or considered Japanese is what I should say. So a lot of my content that I make is maybe with people who are born and raised in Japan who are ethnically not Japanese at all. And maybe they're mixed Japanese and their experiences are very different from maybe what somebody who knows nothing about Japan, they think Japan is all Japanese, East Asian features, things like that. But in reality, Japan does have a slightly diverse aspect to it. Of course, most of Japan still is mono-ethnic, monoculture, but even in this university, I see a lot of faces that, don't look Japanese, but the whole idea behind my channel is you can't really tell how somebody is until you actually talk to them. You don't know anything about them just by their looks.